If you think you can't wear a smoky eye because you have hooded eyes, think again. I'm gonna show you how I got this smoky eye. If you have hooded eyes, you have to prep your eyelids. So you can take some concealer. This is the LYS concealer. You have to set your concealer. When you have hooded eyes, you're gonna have a crease, and a lot of times your skin is touching, so your eyelids can get oily. You wanna use a fluffy brush for this. I'm gonna dip into this light brown color. Start with your eyes open. It might feel weird, but you're gonna start like this so you know how high you have to bring your eyeshadow. Then you can close your eyes. Then take a smaller fluffy brush and dip into a darker eyeshadow. You're gonna start from halfway in the middle of your eye and press it right in the crease. This is just your guide where you wanna keep most of the darker eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go in with an even darker brown color. This is almost black, and we're using a smaller pencil brush. And we're gonna start 3/4 of the way, not quite halfway. And we're gonna keep it on the outer corner. I want this to be a little bit more dramatic, so I'm gonna keep building it up till I like the color. If I made any mistakes and there's any patchiness, I just go in with the big fluffy brush, don't add any more eyeshadow, and just buff it out. Now we're almost done. I'm gonna go in with this champagne-y pink color. I'm just using a flat brush. Start in the inner corner and then blend outwards. If you feel that this looks patchy, just go in with the medium brown color and go back and forth like this. So then you have a gradient effect. For a smoky eye, you really don't want any skin showing, so I'm tight lining.
Cleaning up any fallout with a makeup wipe. Adding some liquid liner. This is the Janessa Myricks one. I'll have everything linked in the description as well.
Since this is a more dramatic look, I did line my lashes with some liquid liner.
Creating a small wing. Would you be interested in a wing liner tutorial?
To finish off the lower lash line, I'm going back in with the medium brown color and buffing it along the lower lash line. Since this is a smoky eye, I am gonna line my lower lash line. I'm gonna add a touch of mascara before I put my false lashes on. You don't even really need false lashes, but since we're going dramatic, I'm gonna add them. Now we have both eyes on, so let's finish the look with some bronzer and blush. I just picked up some products from the Hung Van Gogh line. He's a celebrity makeup artist. I feel like one of his specialties is doing women that have hooded eyes. What better way to do a little tutorial with some of his new products? And then I picked up the blush, and this is in Single Mother. And when doing a smoky eye, don't be afraid to add maybe a tiny bit extra blush, because you don't want to be washed out from the bold dark makeup. This is the Kosas lip liner, and this is in the shade Infinite. I overline them a little bit. And then this is the lip gloss in Unhooked. And now you have a gorgeous smoky eye on your hooded eyes. If you enjoyed this video, but you want something simpler and you really want to learn the basics, check out my hooded eye makeup course at mckaysmakeup.com.
If you want to learn how to do more eyeshadow looks, make sure to give this a like and follow. I put up new videos every week.